Creating a valuable future with a heart for humanity and a passion for perfection. You need, we lead. With reliable technology born of passion, value greater than expected is delivered. LS Group, a front-runner for development of Korean industry. Having spun off from the LG Group in 2003, LS Group has been a leader of the machinery, electric, electronic, and energy industries. LS Mtron is enhancing customer value through continuous innovation. As an affiliate of the LS Group, LS Mtron is growing quickly in the industrial machinery and state-of-the-art component businesses. Having launched its main tractor business in the 1970s, LS Mtron was the first to develop 60-horsepower tractors in Korea, and then launch the era of exports in the 1990s. Since its Chunju factory started operation in 2005, the company has been securing core technologies through R&D and improving its production capabilities, garnering the largest market share in Korea in 2012. The technology of LS Mtron realizes what customers need. Through continuous R&D, LS Mtron builds environment-friendly tractors with powerful yet efficient engines that meet global standards. They are trusted for their long, reliable chassis and solid engines, and recognized for their world-class quality by customers around the world. Having started developing its own engines in 1992, LS Mtron has developed a turbo diesel engine, a direct inject diesel engine, and finally succeeded in developing a Tier 4 engine for 2014. The Tier 4, an outcome of continuous innovation, is a highly efficient, environmentally friendly engine that has proven its durability through tests conducted in extreme conditions. For greater customer satisfaction, LS Mtron tractors have edgy and sophisticated designs that eschew the usual stodginess of agricultural machinery. Also, ergonomically designed bodies deliver more comfort and a smoother ride during long days of work. As a result of focusing on improvement in R&D, LS Mtron provides the best solution for customers with eco-friendly products having a variety of convenience features. In addition, LS Mtron constructs a differentiated parts supply system and service network all around the world to keep customers' products running on. Innovation for our customers. LS Tractor is enhancing customer value with innovative technology. Equipped with eco-friendly engines, the LS Mtron X Series. The LS Mtron XR Series, a global leader in compact tractors, is attracting worldwide acclaim from customers for their compact, ergonomically designed cabins that enable drivers to handle various tasks in a small space. The small yet powerful Tier 4 engine was developed in-house. LS Mtron has a full lineup of tractors, from compact class to utility class, that fit customers' wants and needs. The LS Mtron Plus series is equipped with a direct inject turbo diesel, mated to a smooth operating heavy-duty transmission to minimize energy loss, thus delivering maximum productivity. In addition, the ergonomically designed cabin greatly helps drivers move forward and backward, shift gears and handle attachments easily, all while being safely protected in the reinforced shell. Comfortable like a sedan, with low vibration and low noise. Richly equipped with creature comforts like a high-fidelity audio system, refrigerator, and AC. The Plus series reduces fatigue and increases satisfaction with its driver-oriented design, including ergonomic location of levers, adjustable steering wheel, and chair. Beyond being the #1 market leader in Korea, LS M-Tron is reaching out to become a global tractor name. Having established a presence in the U.S. and built production facilities abroad, LS M-Tron is now exporting tractors to 40 countries around the world, delivering value surpassing customer expectations. LS M-Tron's Cheonju factory offers a full lineup from compact class to utility class, meeting diverse customer needs. In particular, the factory produces environment-friendly tractors equipped with its own Tier 4 engine, which satisfies tightened emission standards, supplying both Korean and international markets. LS M-Tron's factory in Qingdao, China is adopting the same manufacturing process and quality control as those in Korea, and now produces and sells tractors for export as well as for China. LS M-Tron's factory in Santa Catarina, Brazil, which was completed in 2013, produces and sells tractors competitive in Latin American countries. To offer product competitiveness required by global markets, the company has also built an engine factory with an annual capacity of 30,000 units and launched tractor implements and combine models, expanding its business areas. Communicating more closely with global customers and conducting social responsibility programs like the Global Happy Village campaign, LS M-Tron delivers sustainable growth together with its customers.
LS M-Tron Tractor has always come up with the products and the technology we've needed. We have been very happy with their powerful, comfortable, tough, and beautiful products.
Through customers' eyes, to customers' minds, pursuing the best. A challenge to create more original products and elevated value. You need, we lead. LS M-Tron.